We are solving polynomial equations, and this time we want to go backwards. Write the polynomial of least degree that has rational coefficients and a leading coefficient of 1 given the following zeros. So least degree. So we have 1, 2, 3. So for this one, our least degree, we're going to say this one has a degree 3. So that means we're looking for a cubic. And we want our leading coefficient to be 1. So these are our zeros. Working backwards, we know that our zeros come from the binomials that we factor out. So we can create the binomials that would make these specific zeros. So x minus a negative 1, I'm going to subtract all of them, x minus 2, and x minus 4. We know that minus a negative really means addition. So say x plus 1, and then we can write down these other two. Now, we got these binomials because this 4 makes this binomial 0. 4 minus 4 is 0. So this makes the whole thing 0. 2 minus 2 is 0. So this makes the whole thing 0. And negative 1 substituted in here would make the whole thing 0. Now we just have to distribute and go from there. So x times x, that becomes x squared. X times negative 2, that's negative 2x. 1 times x is positive x. And 1 times negative 2 is negative 2. And we bring down our x minus 4. Then we can combine our like terms in the middle. And we get x squared minus x minus 2, x minus 4. Now we have a trinomial multiplied by a binomial, and we just have to do this math. So x times x squared, that becomes x cubed. X times negative x becomes negative x squared. X times negative 2 becomes negative 2x. Negative 4 times x squared is negative 4x squared. Negative 4 times negative x is positive 4x. And negative 4 times negative 2 is positive 8. Then we can just combine like terms. So we see our first term we come to is x cubed, that's what we were looking for with a lead coefficient of 1. And we don't have any other cube terms, so we just write down our x cubed. Next term we come to is x squared. So we have a negative x squared and a negative 4x squared. We add those together and we get negative 5x squared. Our linear term is next, negative 2x and positive 4x becomes positive 2x. And then we just write down our constant term because that's the only one that we have. And this is the polynomial, highest degree 3 with a leading coefficient of 1.